Right team, step 6 is to link out to an authority site with one of the words in your keyword phrase. So for example, our keyword phrase is how can a teenager make money? Now we want to point out to an authority site, and the authority site we're going to use is Wikipedia. And what that does, it shows Google that we're linking out to relevant high authority sites to explain our content further, to give more relevance to what we're talking about. So what I would do here is, based on my keyword phrase, how can a teenager make money, I will take one of the words. In this case, I've taken the word teenager. So if someone didn't know what a teenager was, they could find out more by clicking this link. And what I've done is highlighted. So what I do is I take the word first, actually, and then I go into Google and I type in wiki, and then my keyword that I've chosen, teenager, hit search, and then I look at it. I take the wiki explanation of the word teenager, in this case here. So this is the page from Wikipedia explaining what a teenager is, just for people who just don't know what a teenager is. I copy that link there, and then I go to my post and I highlight the word teenager, and I click this button here. It looks like a chain, and there's one with a chain linked together, and there's one with a chain broken, an unlinked chain. The first one says insert and edit link, and the other one says unlink. So we'll actually unlink that. So imagine I've taken the word now from scratch, teenager. I'll highlight the word. I would have found the link within Wikipedia. Then I'll come back here and hit the button to link. And then here I will paste my URL from Wikipedia directly there, then hit add link, and that is my link to an external authority site. Now if I update here, you'll notice something. Now it says here on the right hand side, you'll notice I've just hit another X. Okay, now the X says, oh, how strange as well, all of a sudden my before I had a problem where it would, even though I bolded my keyword, it said my keyword wasn't bolded, and even though I haven't touched that, it has now met the SEO element that my keyword needs to be bolded and improve my score slightly. Okay, but here we've got an X here that says please add no rel follow to your external links. Now what that means is when Google actually the Google spiders come out and analyze your site to verify if your site is the best content in the world for your given keyword phrase, in our case, how can a teenager make money, it will come and analyze this site and all the content on this site and all the links on your site. Now this is pointing out to Wikipedia, and the spiders, certain part of the spiders will come here and then they'll jump over to Wikipedia and start analyzing the Wikipedia site. Now we don't want it to do that. We want it to stay on our site, look at the content on our site and search through the content on our site. So what we've done here, what we need to do is add in the no rel follow to our external link, and this is our external link. Now to do that, what we need to do, we need to jump into the HTML text editor mode, and to do that you click this button here that says text. So I'm going to click that there, and we're going to find our URL link. So if you remember here, our Wikipedia URL link was simple.wikipedia.org.wiki.teenager, and we need to find that exact link in our text here. So if I scroll down slightly, we can see it here, and this is actually called an anchor text link, as you know from your video how to create where I showed you how to create the anchor text link in your author. And you can see here we've got our URL here, which was http simple.wikipedia.org/teenager. Now what we need to do is, after the word teenager, which is where the URL ends here, we've got a quotation mark. And so we need to hit us after the quotation mark, we need to leave a space, and then we need to type in the words REL and then an equal sign, and then the words no, FOLLOW, no follow. Oh sorry, I forgot, we got to put those in quotations. No follow in quotations and then a space. So the phrase you want to type in, I'll just zoom in on that for you, is after the quotation mark you put a space and then you type rel equals no follow in quotations and then you leave another space. Okay, as you can see there, I'll just highlight that there. So once again, it's REL equals open quotations, the word no follow, and then close quotations. Now I'll go back to my visual here, and you can see the word teenager hasn't changed at all, and I'll update my post. And as you can see now, my element here that had an X, the image, the you have rel no follow added to your external links has been put in place now, so that I've got a big tick there and my SEO score has increased. So guys, that's how you the next part, that was step 6, sorry, where we added in a wiki link to an external authority site, and it's nice to have that somewhere up high in your page before you hit your H2 tag, your header 2 tag, which is what we'll talk about next.